What's up, everyone? As I said last week, we're going to do a first time opening here on the channel, and it's going to be Road to WrestleMania 2014. I've only seen a couple videos of this, so I really don't know what to expect. Hopefully it's good. I mean, the checklist was good, but hopefully we've got a good box. No, this must be some kind of oh no, they're all like this. I thought it was an insert. So they must just be the regular cards. A lot of 30 years of WrestleMania. These cards are all over the place. Portrait, landscape, upside down. And here we have an Ultimate Warrior tribute. The Ultimate Warriors defeat the Heenan family at Survivor Series 1989. So I'll have to look those up. Those might actually be worth saving. Nice, oh, we've got Trish Stratus as the Queen of WrestleMania. Nice card. I do like the look of these cards. Another Warrior tribute. Just a generic, I guess this is for a book, 30 Years of WrestleMania. Oh. We got our first hit. It is a Bray Wyatt shirt relic. Guess it's better than a mat? Should be an autograph in here, but I don't know if it's guaranteed. I would hope so, because these old boxes are not cheap. Not sure if I said it before. If you have Access TV and you're not watching Impact Wrestling, watch it. It's one of the better products out there right now. Their pay-per-view was way better than WWE's, which probably isn't saying much, but it was good. I usually try to be positive about things, but yeah, that extreme horror show at Extreme Rules was just that. Not too much else I can say there. So we got another Warrior tribute. Warrior tribute again. Yeah, it seems like more cards than usual. I don't know if it's just the layout of the box. Oof. Does not look like we're going to get an autograph because we got a matte relic of Hulk Hogan. So it does not look like this paid off at all. But that's the way it goes sometimes. Gonna make another pile here. I mean, this is bigger than the usual matte relics. So, and it's Hulk Hogan, so who knows. So I guess this is another subset. So I'll have to pull those out. Warrior tribute. That Trish Stratus, Queen of WrestleMania. Okay, so there was styrofoam at the bottom of the box, so we are on the last two. So I guess say what you want about the current sets. Like I have said, not as good as the older ones, but at least you are guaranteed an autograph. So that is it for this box. I will say next week's box will definitely be better. Managed to get a hold of a good product. Almost guaranteed good product. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. Keep checking back. Take care.